Today we have a fun video where I'm going to test 3 different materials to see if Cricut Maker 4 can cut them. We have faux suede, faux leather, and acrylic. So let's see if they can cut. First, we're going to cut faux suede. I'm using a strong grip mat. And I'm going to cut with the fine point blade. Okay, let's see if the faux suede cut. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cut faux suede. Now that we know that faux suede can cut, projects like this personalized keychain can be made with this faux suede. The second material we're testing today is faux leather. I'm also going to use the fine point blade for this material. Okay, let's see if the faux leather cut. Also a perfect cut. Look at that faux leather. Now that we know that faux leather can cut, you can make cute home decor like this leather mobile that hangs. The third material we're going to test is acrylic. For this, I'm going to move the star wheels on the machine. Okay, now that the star wheels are moved, I am going to prep my acrylic. We're using a strong grip mat, and I have my acrylic base. So I'm going to take off one of those layers that covers the acrylic. I'm going to place it so I have room for the masking tape. Use my brayer. And then I'm going to use the engraved tip with its housing. And then I'm ready to load my acrylic. Okay, let's see how this acrylic did. This acrylic is too thick to cut, but let's see how the engraved turned out. Take the acrylic off of the mat. I'll take the other side of the cover that protects the acrylic off. And I'll wipe off the excess debris. Look how great that engraving turned out. Now that we know that the Cricut Maker 4 can engrave, you can make things like this awesome nightlight. Now that we know that we can cut faux suede, cut faux leather, and even deboss it, and engrave acrylic, I'm gonna go make some gifts for my family and friends.